First box, 1 and 2. Give you guys a little preview. I know what's in it. Some of the front suspension kit, so calipers there. I think that's a spacer for one of the A-arms. And spindles. So, probably still waiting on another box or two, but all right. So I know I already opened up one box, but we got a few more boxes in today. We got this one in. I already emptied it out. I'll show you guys what was in that in a second, and then we got the rest of them. So we should have all the parts for the Mustang 2 front suspension. So we could get started on pulling the motor out of the PT. Before I go over that, we'll go over what came in the other box. So, finally did it. It's not the biggest order, but it's definitely a larger order than I'm used to. I know I have my red hoodie, my white one, 2 black ones, and then I have shirts also. But I decided to get some more shirts. So I will have a few extra left over if you guys are interested, but I had to get some different colors for myself. So got the military green, this gray, blue, and of course another black one. Black's a go-to. But yeah, I think they came out nice. They came out nice. But yeah. And like I said, I have a few extra hoodies. I know a couple people were asking about those. Bunch of extra shirts, so large and extra large. Got a crew neck from my boy Q. He was like, man, I don't want a hoodie, give me a crew neck. So it's this one right here. So I gotta get that shipped out to him. Got the front and the back, so did the small logo up front and the large logo on the back. Just to switch it up. I know some people are asking about it. So I think it's a little bit nicer having it on the back also, so somebody's behind you, they know what you're wearing. That Dash Garage. I do the matching military green. I already had a blue t-shirt, so yeah, switching up just a little bit. But yeah, depending on how these go, I may or may not put another order in, a little bit larger order. Let me know if you guys are interested in that. But without further ado, let me start opening up some of these. You gonna help out? Yeah, so this should just be the rest of the Mustang 2 front suspension. I'll pretty much keep it in the box, but I'll open up the boxes, show you guys what it's looking like. And go grab a knife. Alright, so I already opened up this bottom box. This has the calipers in it and the spindles. I'll open up the rest of it. Should be the spring rack. Just off the shape of the box. Let's see. box inside a box. Try to keep all the cardboard, you know, that'll come in handy with the CAD design for most of the stuff. But yeah, this is the steering rack. It'll stay in there, but the steering rack. Let's see, this one was already opened up. It has the calipers and the spindles in it, so should be good there. This one's got some weight to it. Just tearing it open. It's already torn for the most part. So this kind of ends the tie. I have UMI on one car, QA1 on another. So this kit came with QA1s, so I'll be running QA1s all the way around. I still need to order the back set, but it should be good. I was talking to my buddy because I was hesitant on which kit to order based off the spring rate. So he said just go as light as possible. So I think these are 375 pounds. So, man, they look small. But yeah, he said just go lighter, and then later on, if I do need a stiffer spring or a heavier spring, we'd always do that. So, have the coilovers there. Try to keep it somewhat organized. Tie rod ends. It's gonna be all over the place. Brake pads. This was a narrowed kit, so you get them either standard width or narrowed. And with the stock track width for the PT, I think up front is 58.3. I went with the narrowed, which I think with the cross member narrowed with this setup, it should put it right around 57.5. I think the with the different cross member, I think it'll take it all the way down to 56.5, depending on which brake setup and everything you use. These. Alright, so those are mounts for the calipers. That one's no good. What else do we have? Some small stuff. Some bushing, I don't know. Alright. Just paper, I guess. Supposed to be something in there. But get a closer look in here. So we have springs for the coilovers. I'll just leave those in there. Brake lines, mounting hardware for the calipers. Yeah. More bushings, hardware. I guess the perkers for the springs. Bearings. Yeah, just more hardware in here. So Let's move on to another box. So it seemed like Speedway had all the stuff in stock and pretty much the only one that carried kits for it. So that's why I went with Speedway. It was nice and easy. Not sponsored, but if you want to reach out, I'll take it. So they're 11-inch rotors, Chevy bolt pattern. So I did decide on going with the Chevy bolt pattern just because everything else is Chevy. So these look like just the rotors in here. Yeah, so it's 2 sets of rotors. I'd probably get rid of that box. At least set it to the side. And this last one. So this should be control arms and not sure what else. Tubular A-arms. So these are the uppers. This tubular Mustang 2 A-arms. I'm not sure if these are narrow too or if it's just the bottom ones, but it could be both. These should be the lowers. Yep. So that should be everything. There might be one more box. I'd have to double check, but it looked like I have a bunch of hardware. All the stuff for the brakes, the coilovers, springs, rotors. Yeah, so like a kid on Christmas. Got my clothes, got my car parts. I'm good to go. But yeah, I'll organize this a little bit. Still have to get ready for work here in a second. But everything came in, so definitely need to figure out how to pop the hood on it, get the engine pulled, get the front lifted up and start cutting away. But if you guys are interested in it, let me know. And once I get rid of all these, because most of these are accounted for, I might have about 3 or 4 larges and a couple extra larges left over. I have to get all these sent out. If I do have any left over and you're interested, let me know. And if there's enough interest, I'll put in a larger order. We go anywhere from small to I think up to like 4X if needed to. But yeah, just wanted to unbox all these parts, see if everything was here, and I'm gonna call it a day.